Hey everyone, welcome to the OpenQ Demo. I'm Andrew, co-founder and builder here. So what OpenQ is a GitHub and crypto integrated work platform for software engineers. We have three different types of work contracts. The first one is called Prime or Atomic. Essentially, this is a normal fixed price contract in which you have a single contributor, a budget, and the amount that you have locked. We'll be going over this one later. We also have ones called multi-contracts. So this would be a situation where you have something like a learn to earn opportunity, where you want someone or multiple people to build out things using your platform, and each of them get a certain reward. So this would be paying out 50 Matic for everyone who submits price trackers. That way there you have more and more people learning how to use your developer tools. The final kind of contract that we have is called weighted. And this is kind of like a hackathon or a competition one in which you have a certain prize pool, in this case 100,000 USDC, for example, and depending on the place that people come in, they get a certain percentage of that. And the cool thing with this being on-chain on Polygon is they're actually able to crowdfund all of this. So you could imagine all kinds of different things you could do with that. So I'm going to show you today how to mint a atomic contract, aka one of the ones that have a fixed price and are intended for a single contributor. So here we are at a demo homepage of OpenQ. Here you'll be able to explore all the different contract types that are open for all the different groups that may be working with us. Find a task that fits your needs and skills. So I'm going to show you now how to mint, fund, and claim a contract. So as with all good things, we start on GitHub with the GitHub issue URL. So here we are for something doing something awesome for a DAO. I'm going to go ahead now and mint this just by putting in the GitHub issue URL. And here I can set a budget. This is how much I intend to pay, but I don't necessarily have to deposit this right up front, just like with Upwork or other work platforms. You don't have to escrow until you actually have someone interested in working on it. All right, let's go ahead here. And through the magic of video editing, we bring the block time down to 0. So what happened there is I took a GitHub issue and minted a smart contract around it. And because of this, I'm then able to deposit protocol tokens, ERC20, and soon NFTs onto it as a potential reward. So I'm going to go ahead now and fund this with a little bit of Matic. And I'm locking this in there for 30 days. So the deposit lock period is in order to reduce the counterparty risk for the contributor, knowing that while it's locked in there, I'm not able to take the funds out. So there's no guarantee that the funds are available for them to work. There's no need to DM me after or anything. So I'm going to go ahead and fund this. There we go. Take a sip of coffee and check out the transaction. So the cool thing with this being all on chain is that you're able to verify just on regular old Polygon scan that the money has been deposited to the smart contract that is wrapping this this GitHub issue. So going back here now, you can see that the total value locked has increased. So this is now ready for work. So switching gears now, if I were to be a contributor, what I would do is come across this, talk to the maintainer, get myself assigned, and when it comes time to work, let's say that this was for updating a README, something very simple in this case. It's a little word association game I have going with the team, cartoon, network. So I go ahead now and I create a pull request with my work. So all I have to do in order to eventually claim on this is find the issue. Here we go. Is put the closer comment within the pull request, and this will link me to the contract. So when the maintainer goes now and does the usual pull request review, after they're done and they merge it, I'll then be able to go back and claim when I OAuth as Flacco Jones, the person who did this work. So I'm going to attempt to claim this now. We can see here that my Matic balance is 1.2. I'm going to go ahead and claim. So what's going on right now is our Oracle is checking with our OAuth token as well as the GitHub API to see that I was the one that did complete this issue. And this could be a mixture of Matic and Link and any other governance tokens and NFTs that you might be depositing on this. And all of this will be sent out once the claim is confirmed. We can see there that my balance increase. And going back here, we see the contract is now closed. So that's how easy it is to get paid for contributing using OpenQ. So thank you very much for coming, and let us know what you think. Bye-bye.